Hello and welcome back to the Slow Stitch. Today I'm going to talk you through how I make a slip knot. So to begin any crochet project we need a slip knot, and all we need for this is our ball of yarn and our hands. So what we're going to do is begin by taking the tail end of our yarn and we're just going to place it over our finger here and hold it in place with your thumb. Then we're going to take the other end of the yarn, the ball end, and we're going to wrap it under, you see, take it under the tail and then back up and over your finger. So we end up with a V or a Y shape here, or if you pull your tail across you can see it's an X, but either way around it's that crossed over shape we're looking for. Then we're going to take this first cross of the yarn and pull it over our fingertip to create our slip knot. So you can see here we have a knot in the yarn, which if we pull the ball end of the yarn it tightens, and if we pull the tail end of the yarn it loosens. So this is a slip knot, and we would place this onto our hook and tighten it up to begin our work. So I'm just going to show you again how I did this slip knot. So I take my yarn, place it over my finger, I hold it tight with my, well not too tight, but hold it in place with my thumb. Take the yarn under and back up and over my finger. Grab hold of the two ends just to keep them out of the way, and take the first piece of yarn nearest your knuckle up and over your fingertip to create your slip knot. Okay, one more time. Place the yarn over your finger, bring it round and under the tail, up and over the front, create a V shape, and take the piece nearest your knuckle and pull it over your fingertip. And then, as you can see, it slips onto our hook nicely. Now if we pull the tail end of the yarn, it makes the slip knot bigger, makes the loop bigger, and if we pull the yarn end it makes it tighter, which is what we want to begin our work. So I hope that's helpful for you in how to create a slip knot. This is the way I do it. There's lots of different ways you can create slip knots, but this is, I find, the simplest way. Literally just 2 wraps of the yarn. One more time, really slowly. Yarn over your finger, wrap it round and underneath, back over the top. And then take the knuckle side over your fingertip. And there you have it, a simple way to create a slip knot. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with my easy, no rules crochet videos. Thanks, bye.